Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use Google Merchant Center even if you are a complete beginner. If you run an online store and want your product to show on Google Shipping, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will know how to create your Merchant Center account, upload your products, and get ready to promote them on Google. Let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, you just need to be understand what actually is Google Merchant Center. First, exactly is Google Merchant Center is a free tool from Google that lets you upload and manage your product listings so they can appear on Google Shopping, Google Search, YouTube, and other Google platforms. If you are or if you have ever seen products appear directly in Google search result, that's made possible by Google Merchant Center. So we are going to create our Google Merchant Center account. As you can see, we already have an account over that place, as you can see it. So if you are new in Google Merchant, you just need to go to search Google Merchant over that place, and you will get this kind of options. Once you get here, you just need to click over here, start now. Once you click over here, then you just need to be sign in with your Google account, preferable by the one you use for your business. Now fill out the basic information. It could be your business name, your website if you want, your country, and time zone. Once done, agree to the terms and click to the continue. Once you're done, then they will verify and claim your website. If you added a website, you will need to verify that you own it. As you can see, we already add our website. If I click over here and then click to the products business manager, here you will allow to see this is our online store. So Google gives you a few options to do this, like add an HTML tag to your website code, upload an HTML file to your site, or verify through Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager. If you use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, most of them have easy Google Merchant Center integration to speed up this process. So now we are going to adding our first product. Once your account is set up and verified, it's time to add your products. There are two main ways to do this. Manually adding products, like you just need to go to your business section and you will find our product options. Once you click over here or select these options, then here eventually you will get options for this. Like here you can see understand your product status and things, and upon this, like afterward this, you will get the options like add your product. You just need to click over here, add products manually, then fill in the details, connect to Shopify, add custom from file, or use Google Sheets, then add products one by one, then have add products by using API. So here you can choose which one you will find out good. Let's click to this one, then click this one, then try to click this one, use template. Let's click to the use template, just select this one and select this all, then click to the continue, and eventually it will be done. So here you can see now you can easily use your spreadsheet or template. Just click over here and it will redirect us to here, and here you can see these are the things. So I am going to click this one, enter feed level. Okay, that's great. Choose spreadsheet, and this one will be our sheet. I am going to copy this one here. So you just need to connect this. I will select this one, then click to the insert, and we already did. Now here I think it been done. So enter your feed level, that will be him. It could be anything invalid. Enter a name that helps you easily. Okay, shops feed level. Here you can see your product will be shown in this one. So there is a couple of things we are getting issues over here, that is the problem. So we just need to be fix this one. Enter feed level required. So let's go to this one. Okay, require if product has this one, no, there is no needed. So all are good and perfect. Delete the rows content description example. So here I think there is a problem, so I will click this one, then click to the continue, and here eventually you can see how easy the process was. If you ever work any website to upload any products, you will easily get this one. So here you can see they are telling us product page on your online store, your web store, like it could be an example. Then here you will have title, so I am going to give a title Canva Premium, then the brand is Canva, description you can purchase it by subscribe our channel, and let's copy and link here, just search Wix, so we have a link over that place. So I'm going to copy that link. I think this may be good. Let's open this one and let's again come back to this one. I did something wrong, so I just need to be click this one, and then here you can see you just need to be paste it here, and then you just need to be drag and drop your image. Let's browse it and copy an image from this one. I think this one will be good, and then just click to this add button once it's done. So we need to be keep patience. Now you can see it has been successfully uploaded, so I'm going to click to the add, and then here they are telling us product type. This is not necessary, you can ignore it. Then once you've done, just click to the save. Once you click over here, there is a your product has one missing invalid, so save anyway. Just click this one and then successfully created products. So now if you visit this one to the merchant Google, you will find out that your product will be added. So you just need to fill in the details like product title, description, price, availability, image and link. Then here let's visit to the products, and eventually you will see that one product already been uploaded. Here you can see it, total products not shown on Google yet. So using, like, you can use this one, next one, that's using a product feed. This is recommended for store with lots of product. You can connect your product feed by Google Sheet or upload file. If you use Shopify, e-commerce or BigCommerce, then Google can sync your product automatically. Make sure your product data is accurate. Google requires certain details like price, availability and high quality images. Then you just need to understand free listing versus paid ads. Here is an important point. Adding your products to merchant centers make them eligible for free listing and paid ads. Like free listing, your product appear on Google Shopping without paying for ads. Then paid ads. Through Google Ads, you can run shopping ads to promote your products more prominently. Even if you don't want to run ads immediately, it is still worth setting up merchant center for free exposure. So let me give you final tips and the best practice to using merchant account. Before we finish, here is some quick tips that make sure your product images are clear and professional, and keep product titles and descriptions accurate, and regularly update your product feed to avoid errors. And then last, that is connect your merchant center with your Google Ads if you plan to run shopping campaign. Following this best practice helps your product get approved faster and perform better. So let's wrap up the video here, and that's it. You now know how to set up and use Google Merchant Center as a beginner. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want me to make a full guide on running Google Shopping ads. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.